everybody, how are you all? Just here to deliver the Bybit top 10 scan and see what's out there today. See if we can raise some orders. If you do like these videos, please like and subscribe, and also thank you Bybit for sponsoring this this channel today. They're a good exchange, so if you do like them, go and open an account and deposit some funds. Alright guys, let's have a look here. Bitcoin's a bit of a sell-off overnight. Across all markets actually, not just Bitcoin. So, change the colour of this to purple. Alright. Okay. Bitcoin. Now, let's have a look at the Bitcoin monthly chart here. Really zeroing in on that low at 37,148, aren't we? We're getting close, but not quite there yet. What is 37,148? Let's have a look. Kind of in this region here. Yeah, look, like there's not much to denote from that chart. If that monthly low does get taken out, as per the cradle zone rules, which we've learned, it could be getting to a bit of a choppy sideways market, or it could be going to a monthly downtrend. Let's see what happens. Okay, so let's have a look at the 4. So just because we're getting a bit sticky down here now, I'm probably not going to raise any orders on these lower time frames. If we do see a bounce lower, I may do that. But for now, there's nothing there for me. I just want to see where this market goes from here. Do we break these lows? Go a bit lower? Do we consolidate here, pop higher? Who knows? Oh, good morning, Dan. How are you? How are you, mate? Yeah, so let's see where we go. I'm interested to see if this month we do break the low of that candle. Just interested. Will I be buying for my long terms today? Maybe. It is quite a big candle down. I think the difference between this downtrend is, there's a nice downtrend here and here. It's just like we've shot back up, down, trended up. And now we've kind of trended down. So this is the first nice downtrend we've had coming into this zone of value, as I like to call it. Mr. Ether, Robert Warner, how are you, sir? I'm good, Dan. I'm good, man. Fabulous. Mr. Ether, Robert Warner, still waiting for 27K. Well, Robert, if we get 27K, mate, that'd be a life-changing trade. If you bought us at 27K, my friend, that would be a life-changing trade indeed. What do you think the likelihood of it going to 27K is? Well, the market can do anything she pleases. But if you can if you're able to buy an exact bottom, which I'm not planning to. I'm not planning to buy exact bottoms or exact tops. I'm just trying to accumulate in a zone of value. Ready to load up, Dan. Exactly. I'll be selling my house, be selling my dog, selling my wife, selling my son. I'll be going all in. I've got 2 kidneys, I'll sell one of those. You only need one. If we hit 27, I'll be loading up. Which comes to a golden rule of trading, where it's important to have capital on the side, so you can take advantage of those life-changing moments. Or you can take advantages of those times in the market, which can only technically last a day or two even, to load up. You can take advantage of that. That's why it's important to have capital on the sides. Okay, ETHUSD. Really nice trend here, still on the monthly with Ethereum. Very nice. So you can see it's a very different chart to Bitcoin, for example. Let's go down here to the 4. Again, getting very sticky down here. Nothing that I'm really willing to trade. Yeah, nothing there for me. But again, that monthly chart is very constructive. Here on the daily, Ethereum's a bit more, it's not as savage, you know. We still have a daily downtrend there. There's somewhat of a level going through there, but I mean, really the next level is here, but you know, we're still in this zone of value. Still got a lot of work to do. But nothing to intraday trade there for me. XRP. Very similar to Ethereum, hey? Let's have a look at the monthly in XRP. I don't think it's much chop. Yeah, the monthly doesn't tell us much there. But let's go to the daily. Again, heading this line of resistance through here. Let's see if there's a little breakout or something for me on the floor. Not really. So next, ADA. The ADA monthly looks atrocious. Might have a little breakout forming, a little level forming here, guys, possibly. I would love to play the long side if we do see a bounce from here, which could, look, if we see some buying in this type of market, like we have this extreme volatility that comes with a bear market, so big bear market rallies, big bear market sell-offs. Like if you can capitalize on this, you know, you can get a nice trending chart like that. If that does eventuate today, and if I am in front of the computer, I'll try and get that. But yeah, let's see what happens. A breakout of one of these lower time frames to the upside would be good. So, oh, nice flat level there on Sol, hey? But nothing. Oh, guys, if we got a lower high off that level on Sol, well, that'd be a great breakout to the downside. So I'm going to put that in the list just to see how that eventuates. More likely that it'll probably eventuate maybe tomorrow or Friday. BNB. Yeah, not much there on BNB for me. I'm not interested in punting my money either. I've taken some, all of us in the community have, not just me, Dan included. Robert Warner, are you in our community? All of us have, and we've taken these trades from being patient and just waiting for the right setups to come. So that's what I'm going to continue doing. That's what we're going to continue doing. I'm not going to FOMO into any shorts or anything silly like that. So some nice flat levels through there. Nothing there on DOT. Next, Luna. A friend messaged me today about Luna, whether you should buy some or not. There's no right time to buy, only when it's at a bit of a sell-off. I remember watching this rally here in April, thinking, man, I wish I owned some Luna. You know, would now be the time to load up. I like to, when I'm adding to my long terms, load up off a technical point though, and there is no real technical trade point for me to load up there. Like it's a monthly pullback or a daily pullback or something like that. Apex. Working to this level very nicely here as well. So again, you can see like there are some levels prices working into. We'll pop that in the list. It might eventuate. It'll take a while. Yeah, nice, Robert. Have you done our courses? So do you know like what I'm talking about in these scans in regards to cradles and stuff? Doge. Oh, now that is a shocking chart, isn't it? Look at that. Shocking chart. Definitely nothing to trade there. All right, let's have a look at our list. Okay, Sol. A nice flat level forming there on Sol, eh? I think really, go to the 12, have a look at the 8. Could set up on the 8. Yeah, get a lower high off that level. It wouldn't look too bad at all. I sure wouldn't mind taking a trade on a high liquidity contract. And then let's have a look at AVAX. Again, price working into this level here. Still got a bit of work to do. Hope you're all well. Thank you, Dan, for tuning in. Thank you, Robert Warner. Oh, hello, Bobby. Mate, we're just finishing up. Some nice flat level there on Luna forming up. I hope you're all well. Control your risk. Don't FOMO. Do what we've been doing all bloody year. What have we been doing all year? We've been waiting patiently for the right setups. And when the right setups come, we raise the orders and we make money. Simple. You just wait for the right trades to come. This is what good trading is. You saw we put that in the post today in the community. We can all do it. If we're able to trade a market like this, we're able to trade any market. I hope you're all well. And as always, safe trading, guys. I'll talk to you all soon. If you just DM me in the community if you're free. See ya.